5 AI training jobs that pay Africans in USD. If you're in Africa and want to earn in dollars just working from home in a legit way, these 5 AI training jobs are currently hiring. No complicated degree required. Let me break them down fast. Number 5, Remotasks. You label images, transcribe audio, categorize data. Payment varies by task, but expect around $3 to $10 per hour starting out. Not amazing, but it's USD hitting your PayPal or bank account. Number 4, Appen. They hire globally for projects like search evaluation and voice recording. Pay ranges from $8 to $15 per hour, depending on the project. Work availability fluctuates, though. Number 3, Outlier AI. This one pays better for specialized tasks. If you can write well or have subject expertise, you're looking at $15 to $40 per hour. The catch? Projects come and go, not always consistent. Number 2, Scale AI. Similar to Remotasks, but often has higher paying projects. Great for tech-related tasks. Quality matters here. Sloppy work gets you kicked off projects fast. Number 1, DataAnnotation. Currently hiring heavily for AI training work. Pays weekly via PayPal or bank transfer. Flexible hours. You choose when to work. Let me be honest with you, my good people. Note that this isn't get-rich money. Yes, I said that. You're trading time for quality and amazing dollars. But it's legitimate remote income in USD, which goes further in most African currencies. I've linked all 5 platforms in my description and pinned comment. Check your country's availability, sign up, pass the qualification tests, and start earning. Simple as that.